feel better already. Literally.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Literally, my headache is gone. I'm not playing. Like, I'm so serious. It's gone. It was just throbbing. That's a long ago.
Yep.
Oh, wow. Okay.
There it is. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
How's your headaches?
Good.
Good.
I don't have a headache anymore. Yeah.
How did that feel?
Everything feels great.
That's pretty good. Mm-hmm. Okay. Hey guys, Dr. Clerge here, your DMV chiropractor. I'm here today with Kayvana. Am I saying it right?
Yes.
Kayvana.
Yes,
okay.
Kayvana.
All right. So you've been having some neck, upper back, shoulder stiffness, right?
Yes.
You said your lower back is okay.
Yes.
No issues with that. So tell me, what's going on? Like, what are you feeling? What's the problem?
So mainly I'm having tension right here in my neck. Also in the mid-back area. It's just really stiff.
Okay.
Yeah, a little bit of straining.
Okay. The neck and upper back.
Yeah.
Shoulder as well. Is that a bit?
No, not really.
Shoulder's not too bad. Okay, so neck, upper back, mid back
And
for the
then
most
mid-back,
part.
yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. Okay. So I'll assess your range of motion. Okay, and then after that we'll see what we need to do. So let's start by looking down. How's that movement?
It's fine.
It's fine. Now let's have you extend and look back for me. How's that?
That's good.
That's good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now let's have you rotate. You can come back to a normal position. So have you rotate to the right, rotate to the left. How's that?
That's fine.
That's fine? Okay. Now let's go side to side. So you go to the right side and then to the left side. So with this motion, you'll go kind of like this and then like that. How's that? See you doing it a few times. Is it a little tight?
Yeah, just a little.
Just a little?
Yeah.
Okay, but nothing painful, nothing like that, right?
Right.
Okay, good. All right, so let's assess the mid-back area. Okay, let me have you extend. Is that tight? Is that uncomfortable or not too bad?
No.
Not too bad? Okay. And let's have you bend forward. How's that?
That's fine.
That's fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Apply a little bit of pressure. How's that?
That's fine.
That's fine. Okay. Let me have you rotate, extend.
That's tight.
That's tight with
Yeah.
that rotation. Okay. Rotate again and bring it back a little bit actually. There you go. How's that?
That's a little tight.
That's a little tight too. So that mid-back area. And the neck range of motion, those weren't bad. So if anything, we'll align the cervical spine. Is mainly for alignment, okay? Not because there's a major issue going on. So it seems as if it's just overall stiffness, soreness that you're experiencing, nothing major, right?
Right.
Now you said you had some tension headaches that you've been feeling for a little while?
Yeah.
Okay, mainly on that,
On this right
on this
side.
right side? Okay. Do you, when you did that rotation, you didn't feel any tension?
Oh, no, I feel it, yeah.
You feel it when I did it for you, you feel it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to this side. Okay. Let's go again.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, so let's start by stretching some of the neck muscles, okay?
Okay.
And then after that, we'll go ahead and get you adjusted, okay? All right, okay. So now you're gonna feel some tension right in here. If it gets too tight, you let me know, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
How's that?
Right there, yeah.
Okay, take a deep breath for me. Blow it out. Good, again, deep breath. Blow it out. Good, 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 good. One more time, deep breath. And blow it out. Good, 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 perfect. Okay, let's go to the other side, same thing. I want you to take a deep breath for me. Blow it out. Again, deep breath. Out. Good. One more time. Take a deep breath. Blow it out for me. Good. Good. How's that? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Now we're going in a forward flexion position. And I'm gonna push your head and neck forward. Deep breath, blow it out. Good. Again, deep breath, blow it out. Good. One more time, deep breath, and blow it out for me. Good, 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 good. Perfect, perfect. Okay. All right, let's do that again on this side. Good. One more time. Good. One last time. Good. Okay. Out. Good. Again. Out. Good. One more time. Out. Good. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Now, I'm gonna have you do another stretch. It'll actually stretch your lower back, but you also feel it in the mid-back area as well, okay? Mm-hmm. You're going to sit towards the end of the chair, grab the back, grab the arm, and you're going to twist, okay? You're going to take a deep breath, blow it out, and relax when you blow the breath out, okay? Yeah. You'll feel it in the upper back, and you'll feel it in the lower as well. Okay. So let's go ahead and try that. So sit closer to the end of the chair. Good. All right. Grab the back. Good. Take a deep breath. Out. You feel it in here, and you feel it in the lower. Okay, good. And let's do that again. Deep breath. Out. Twist. Good, 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 good. Perfect. Let's go to the other side. Do the same thing. Good. Grab the back of the chair. Okay. Deep breath. Out. Good, 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 good. One more time. Deep breath. Blow it out. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Good. How was that? Felt pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So have a seat, and then we'll get you adjusted. First adjustment we're going to do is going to focus mainly on the upper part.
Yeah.
So the occiput and the lower cervicals. Now, usually this area, most people often experience a lot of tension, even with headaches. After you experience a release, you may feel some relief with your headaches as well, okay? Okay. All right, so let me have you shift forward for me just a little bit. Right there, perfect. All right, is that comfortable for you? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to contact your occiput, rotate your head, drop your head in the palm of my hand. Good. Now, your key is to relax, okay? I want you to relax as much as you can. You see like how I'm moving your head? Mm-hmm. You still have control. You gotta drop your whole head. There you go. Just give me full control. There you go. Perfect. Relax.
I feel better already. Literally.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Literally, my headache is gone. I'm not playing. Like, I'm so serious. It's gone. It was just throbbing. That's right. Supposed to go. Yep. Oh, wow. Okay.
It's a lot of tension that's being released in that adjustment. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Let's go to the other side. And then I'll have you do the ranges of motion after, okay?
Okay.
Same scenario. I'm gonna grab your occiput, contact your occiput, put you into some rotation. Drop your head in the palm of my hand. Good. I want you to relax. Relax a little bit more for me. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel good. Yeah.
Feel pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Good. Now, let's target the mid cervicals. Okay. Okay. All right, so I'm palpating the mid cervicals. Now what I want you to do is relax as much as you can for me, okay? Okay, relax your head and neck. Good. Relax. Yes, ma'am. How did that feel?
Great.
Felt pretty good?
Yes.
All right. That's good. Let's go to the other side. I want you to relax for me. Relax, relax, relax. Relax, relax. You're not relaxing. Relax. There you go. There it is. Perfect. Good. All right. How do you feel? Come up for me.
Oh.
All right. Let's have you rotate your head and neck, range of motion. Yeah, that's pretty good. Mm-hmm. How's your headaches?
Good.
Good.
I don't have headache anymore.
That's good.
Yeah.
All right. Let's have you face down, so you'll be on your stomach. Alright, so now we're targeting the lower cervical. So, what I want you to do is relax, okay? Relax as much as you can. Relax, relax. Good. Let's go to the other side. Alright. Alright. I want you to relax for me. Relax. Relax, relax, relax. Okay, good. Alright. Let's have you come up for me. Now, we're gonna take care of the upper back area. Okay, so let me have you stand up. Okay, good. Now, I'm gonna palpate that upper back. So this is the area where you're having a lot of that stiffness too, right? Okay. Let's take both arms, lift them up. And I'm going to reach in, take both of your hands, interlock them, put it on top of my hands. What I want you to do, squeeze your elbows together. Keep your hands, bring your hands down actually to mine. There you go, perfect. Squeeze your elbows together. Lean back a little bit, keep squeezing, keep squeezing, keep squeezing. There it is. How did that feel?
Everything feels great. Yeah.
Yeah?
That's what I've been waiting for someone to do.
That was pretty good, right?
Could do it, yeah.
Yeah. So move around for me. Let me know, like, do this motion. That's pretty good? Mm-hmm. Okay. And you got the massage and everything already. Okay, so you pretty much...
I feel like I don't have a headache anymore, so I'm like fine. I'm fine with all of it.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
So typically my patients will see me once every 2 or 3 months.
Okay.
Okay. And you know, if you're feeling tight or you have some stiffness or soreness, you can see me way before then.
Okay.
But other than that, probably see you in about 3 months or so.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. I feel really.
Feel really good.
Yes. Thank
All
you
set.
so much. Yeah.
Good to go.
Thank you.
All right.